Hey guys, so we're now here in our casita here at Elma Resort in Sogod, Cebu. We're very excited because this is the first time that we're going to try staying at a casita. This unit has two rooms and one has two beds and the other has one king bed. I'm going to give you guys a quick room tour, so let's go. Casita's Ocean View Suite number 4. As you enter, you'll find this living space. There's a nice foyer area over here with a big mirror. And then there's the living room. There's my roommate, Evan. Look at him. So there's a big sofa over here. And then there's a balcony over here. Look at that. There's my roommate. Another roommate, Reggie. He's flying his drone. And from here you can see the beach. It's very close. Look at that. Very nice, right? So we got tables and chairs over here. You've got this stuff to hang your clothes. You got clothes. Another set of table and chairs. And there's a view of the other casitas and other rooms. Now from the living room, let's proceed to the kitchen and the dining room. So there's a big dining table over here. They got some complimentary stuff for us. Coconut juice and some fruits, that's nice. Over here we got a microwave oven. We got the basin over here. We got a mini fridge with drinks. That's nice. We got mini bar with dried mangoes, four glasses, 4 cups and tablespoons and saucers, 4 free water. Okay. There's plenty of space for cooking stuff. Look at that. What is this? It looks nice. Look at that. Very nice. Looks really nice. Next, let's go to their room. So we got 2 rooms, one on the left and one on the right. This room has 2 beds. Look at that. Very nice. A TV, a mirror, a working desk. Perfect. Let's take a look at the bathroom. Wow, this is nice. Look at that. There's a toilet and there's space here for the shower. Very cool. Now let's take a look at my room. So this is my room. As soon as you enter, you will see a big closet. There's a big closet over here. We get a safety deposit box. We got slippers. We got hangers for your stuff. Plenty of space. There's an artwork over here. And there's my bed. This is a king-sized bed. Very nice. It's a bed. And there's plenty of space. There's a working desk over here, a mirror. And then I have access to the balcony. Uy, ano naman mo din ha? And then let's take a look at the bathroom. So it's very similar to their bathroom. So you got 2 lamps over here in front of the mirror. There's the toilet. And of course, here's the shower. Nice. See view here. There's no view here, which is nice. Okay, so perfect. I don't see any shampoo and conditioner. I was looking for that because shampoo. And then there is the hair dryer, which is very, very essential. That's it, guys. That's a quick tour of our casita here in Elma Resort in Sogod, Cebu. So that's it. See you next time.